What's up, man?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. The car is open, right?
It's open, yeah.
Amazing. And you lost the key?
Yes, sir. I don't know where it could be, honestly.
No worries. Don't think too much. I'm gonna make you one. No
You
worries.
said 245, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or if you want two. You want one or two?
This one.
You sure?
100%.
Okay.
There's another one, but it's also probably lost. It's definitely somewhere, you know?
Okay.
Do you need me to stay around? Or
No, I just want you to be here to see you, and that's it. You can go do whatever you want.
No problem.
Like 20 minutes, it's gonna be ready.
Okay, no problem.
You got it.
Do you want water or something?
No, thank you, Wada.
Coke, water, whatever.
Appreciate it. Thank you, Wada.
I got you. You're good.
5, 1, 3, 6, 7, 6, 7. So dirty. Stink. Oh, you're so stink. See. Amazing. I need more. Thank you. I need more. Thank you. Did you finish? Here. And we got a new key. I just program it. And finish. Amazing. Wow, why so hot? Ay, no, what the fuck I'm doing? Let's reset. I'll check you. Wait, finish with that. Car is on. Another job done. Yep, yep. Yep, yep.